Searching for Desert Spring Organization Value Expectation for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029, 2030 and need to know where the ROSE cost will go in those years, which is genuinely huge. We will share outright best ROSE cost forecast which other crypto specialists propose in an unobtrusive manner. To really find out about ROSE value forecast and its future cost, read this post, or so they thought. What is Desert Spring Organization coin? The DeFi market is still in its early stages, with trillions of dollars in existing monetary business sectors in every way that really matters, prepared to enter the space. The development of DeFi is restricted by absence of protection and genuinely high expenses. The Desert Spring Organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that can extend DeFi past early adopters into mass market reception. Desert Garden Organization for the most part is a Layer 1 blockchain that can extend DeFi past kind of early adopters into mass market reception. The group as of late presented a significant $200 million Desert Garden biological system asset, upheld by top industry benefactors and is one of the main two contributed blockchains by assets, as indicated by Messari, which really is genuinely huge. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Value Forecast 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2027, 2030. We foresee Desert Spring Organization value forecast by established examination of previous verifiable value outline of ROSE, with center around high-volume exchanges to in a real sense foresee future examples, as well as considering most certainly different factors essentially, for example, market interest changes or specialized headways in blockchain innovation. Amazingly, on the off chance that you are intrigued to put resources into ROSE coin, read our value forecast of Desert Spring Organization. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, coin value expectation 2022. Having upset the whole worldwide page of exchanges, ROSE coin cost sets out on the journey of leaving an exceptional impression on this biological system according to our ROSE cost expectation. A few figures around Desert Spring Organization cost in 2022 likewise feature that ROSE cost would ride the positively trending market by September 2022, even it could arrive at another high of 21 cents. Desert Garden Organization appears now to competition to set a record, confirming its position, showing steadiness. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, coin value forecast 2023, which is very critical. Most crypto specialists for the most part are certain that ROSE could ascend in the kind of long-haul viewpoint, since there in a real sense is still confidence that it will basically draw in commonly more consideration from financial backers. For 2023, a normal pace of 20 cents and at least 16 cents are anticipated, which especially is very huge. The coin's greatest exchanging and incentive in every way that really matters, is supposed to be around 24 cents toward the finish of 2023. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, coin value expectation 2024, which especially is very huge. As per Desert Garden Organization value forecast 2024, OASIS Organization, ROSE, costs will have arrived at a level like their past all-time high. By 2024, we may expect a typical cost of 23 cents in an extremely huge manner. In the case of everything goes without a hitch, we anticipated the genuinely most extreme cost of Desert Spring Organization could essentially depend on 32 cents in 2024. Incredibly. Obviously, there especially are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it most certainly is typical for cryptographic money market in an unpretentious manner. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, coin value expectation 2025 in a significant way. According to the in a real sense the most recent updates, for the most part ROSE cost forecast 2025, and new undertaking gauges of the stage, ROSE financial backers could by and large anticipate fundamentally numerous organizations and combinations around 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. In addition, this could explicitly support the cost of explicitly ROSE in the crypto market, and it will be all that venture as the cost can spike and stretch around 45 cents. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Coin Value Forecast 2026. Desert Spring Organization value expectation would especially begin the year 2026 with a typical cost of 37 cents. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, cost would be around 46 cents in 2026. In the genuinely most recent 30 days of the year 2026, the Desert Garden Organization value forecast would fundamentally reach to 53 cents. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Coin Value Forecast 2027. In this period, the Desert Garden Organization cost would sort of ascend from 45 cents to 80 cents, which is gigantic. Desert Spring Organization will begin 2027 at 41 cents, then take off to 63 cents inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2027 at 67 cents, or so they thought. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Coin Value Forecast 2028 in an unpretentious way. In this period, we can in every practical sense, expect that Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, will be recorded on trades and financial backers could help a huge return through it. In spite of the fact that, we can't express anything about the way of behaving of tokens in forthcoming years. We can decide through its truly current condition. What's more, its current condition really says that it will get monstrous development in its cost in a significant manner. In this way, we can expect its cost will arrive at the worth of 94 cents before the year's over, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Desert Spring Organization, ROSE, Coin Value Forecast 2029. Amazingly, as indicated by Desert Spring Organization Coin Value Expectation 2029, we have a few snippets of data for you. Based on accessible subtleties, we are expecting great development in the cost of the Desert Garden Organization coin. Very soon you will see an extreme pattern in this specialized in the quantity of financial backers will rise when ROSE token gets recorded on a few different trades in a significant manner. Most likely during the year, Desert Garden Organization will raise a ruckus around town esteem. Additionally, we suggest you do your own exploration prior to money management. Never face a high challenge on your speculation on the grounds that the digital currency market basically is exposed to really high gamble. Desert Garden Organization, ROSE, Coin Value Forecast 2030. Desert Garden Organization coin has truly extraordinary potential on the off chance that you will hold it as long as possible. According to our Desert Spring Organization coin cost forecast, Desert Spring Organization coin can arrive at a most extreme value level of $1.21.